Hello kids, welcome to my channel Kindlepur TV. So, young explorers, get ready to spread your wings and learn the names of birds. Join us on this journey of discovery, where we'll meet even more feathered friends. Today, we will explore the enchanting names of some unique bird species. Let's meet to the sparrow, crow, pigeon, parrot, peacock, hen, cuckoo, eagle, ostrich, hummingbird, flamingo, owl, crane, dove, swan, woodpecker, vulture, myna, kingfisher, bulbul, penguin, duck. These are just a few of the marvelous birds. Remember, nature has so much to offer, and the more we observe and appreciate the wonders around us. Enjoy your adventure, and let the magic of Indian birds ignite your curiosity and love for nature.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates.